Hey, welcome to our channel. How are you guys? Hope you all are fine. If you like our videos, then share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Sony has uncovered the Xperia 5V cell phone with some pleasant top-of-the-line elements and one less camera, alongside a marginally lower sticker price. The organization likewise guarantees an exceptional music and video experience because of the HDR show, refreshed speakers, and that's just the beginning, all at a marginally lower cost than the past Xperia 5.4 model. Sony cell phones are about the cameras, and there's uplifting news in such manner, notwithstanding what resembles a more terrible camera cluster. The Xperia 5V, yes that is, 5, has the equivalent 52-megapixel XMR-T posterior enlightened, BSI, Type 1/1.35-inch stacked sensor as the Xperia 1V, meaning it's actual quick and excellent in low light. Also, Sony has further developed the man-made intelligence-fueled bokeh mode to get pictures nearer to the principles of exchangeable focal point cameras, the organization said. As the photograph above shows, however, there's currently just two back cameras, the 48-megapixel XMR-T and a 12-megapixel 16mm ultra-wide, as opposed to 3 as on the Xperia 5.4. In any case, the essential sensor has a lot higher goal than the past 12-megapixel fax camera, and can progressively switch somewhere in the range of 24mm and 48mm, around 48mm and 96mm 35mm same, central lengths, so you actually get a comparable 2x optical, lossless zoom that ought to take a lot more keen pictures. As in the past, you can shoot 4K video at up to 120 frames per second in HDR, and it accompanies optical picture adjustment, alongside 5-pivot Euro-fueled electronic adjustment for most extreme perfection. HDR recording, eye tracking, creative look, color presets, and a brand new video creator app that automatically creates a final video based on your selection of shots and music are just a few of the additional features. Sony claims that it features a dedicated voice recording microphone that picks up your voice even with other voices and environmental sounds in the surroundings. For audio creators, it also serves as an entertainment center thanks to its 6.1-inch OLED HD+ 1080 by 2520 display, which is identical to that of the previous model. For watching motion pictures, it accompanies Sony's Television Bravia X1 picture quality motor for portable, alongside a recently evolved front stage speaker framework that offers strong profound bass and discredits the requirement for outer speakers, Sony claims. What's more, because of the power-saving tech, the 5,000 mAh battery can go north of 24 hours on a charge and keep 80% or higher limit following 3 years, as indicated by the organization. In case you missed it, that's a subtle dig at Apple's iPhone 14. The Xperia 5V ought to likewise be strong for gaming, on account of the leader-level Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, 120Hz presentation invigorate rate and a bigger intensity dissemination sheet. It's accessible with 8GB or 12GB of SLAM, in addition to 128GB of expandable stockpiling. In the interim, the game enhancer adds highlights like a sound balancer, voice visit mic and a screen recording capability. Regardless of a little drop in cost in Europe, the Xperia 5V isn't modest. It's valued at £849/ €999 in the UK/Europe, with accessibility in late September. The US pricing and availability of the Xperia 5.4 have not been announced, but we should hear something soon. As a reminder, the Xperia 5.4 cost $1,000 at launch.